Here's a pair of these Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S23. The first thing we want to do is put these speakers into pairing mode. We'll know that as a pairing mode if it's blinking here, blue, 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 okay? So let me first turn these on, power button here, let me press and hold for a few seconds so it turns on. Okay. Now just wait a few seconds, and after a few seconds, see if it's blinking blue, blue, blue here, okay? After a few seconds, I get a solid blue light. The reason for me is because I'm connected to another phone. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I can either go to my other phone and I can disconnect it, or disconnect it from the Bluetooth list, or I can basically delete it from the Bluetooth list. As soon as I do that from the other phone, this will start blinking blue right away. Or another way is I can manually put this into pairing mode simply by tapping the Bluetooth button. Let's just do that instead. Bluetooth button here, let's tap it. Now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Android phone here. And then from here, we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to the Bluetooth settings. And then we're going to go to connections on this phone here. And then we're going to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. We're going to tap on Bluetooth. And now you see that spinny thing there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. And it should show up down here under available devices, okay? And it's still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue. Soundcore 2 popped up here. Let's tap on that. Android phones, you should get a pairing request. Tap on pair. And we're connected, ready to go. And it says connected for calls and audio, and it shows the battery juice level on the speakers as well. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting to this speaker, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.